I grab, I go back, I mark.
Yep.
I close, I switch. I put it back, I grab my square with my tape hand.
And you still have your tape in your hand. That's what most people do.
I never thought about how many times I was passing things back and forth.
And I'm a left tape, so.
Oh really?
I am, yeah.
And then your pencil's on the right?
Left tape, right pencil. Then when I put the tape away, my speed square's right here. Does that make sense? Yeah, because you switch it in your hand when you take it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no, because I pull it out and I grab it with this.
Now make a mark. This is the age-old debate. Tape measure left or tape measure right. Now I'm right-handed. I hold the tape measure in the left over my speed square, pencil in the right. I'm right-handed, so I write with my pencil.
So I have my tape measure on my right side, speed square on my right side, and my pencil on my left.
Are you left-handed?
No.
Okay. All right, so you're measuring a board. We're gonna make a 36-inch mark here and speed square it.
Okay.
Go. It's pretty close. I like the.
Okay, so 32.
32.
Are we going speed or just good pace?
I guess we just good pace. Like you want it to be smooth, right?
Yeah. So what's natural?
All right, go ahead. Oh. Woo. It's pretty good. I got it.
Well, one thing I do notice though is putting my square back, because I end up with my square in my left hand. I want to put my square back here, but I have to switch hands because I end up on opposite with my pencil and my square. Here.
When the tape's going back, I always thought it made more sense to put the tape back and grab the square with the same hand. Because the pencil stays in my right the whole time.
Well, that's what I'm getting at, because when I do this, I have it in my left hand, and then I have to switch.
Yeah.
And then put this back and grab my square.
So I grab the pencil and the tape at the same time, and I have the pencil in my hand as I'm putting the tape out.
I'm gonna switch it and see what it feels like. Because I pull this out, boom, mark, close this down, up, mark. Because what I'm normally doing, watch how many times I switch with my hand. See? No,
this is what most people do.
He's teaching me. No, like
this is what most people do.
I pick up with this.
Yeah.
I switch.
Yes.
I grab. I go back. I mark.
Yep.
I close. I switch. I put it back. I grab my square with my tape hand.
And you still have your tape in your hand.
Throw my tape in.
Oh, I see it.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
and that's what most people do.
I never thought about how many times I was passing things back and forth. Square, mark, put this back, put this back. That makes a lot more sense.
Doesn't it?
That makes a lot more sense. It feels wrong.
It feels wrong.
I walk up, I grab on this side, I grab my pencil, I pull it out, I mark, bam, 36, I throw that closed, I drop this in here, I pull this out, mark, back. I didn't switch my hands once.
I'm saying, bro, right?